What's up and welcome back, Odooers. Today we're going to discuss referral points. They aren't just a fun perk, they're a powerful tool for building a stronger team. By encouraging employees to refer candidates, we create a more engaged workforce, speed up hiring, and bring in high quality talent while reducing recruitment costs. So let's dive right in and see what I'm talking about. Okay, here I am on my referral dashboard. At the top, I can see the total amount of points I have as well as the total amount to spend. So you can see I have 711 points total with 611 available to spend. These points act as a reward for helping the company grow. Employees who refer candidates who get hired earn points. They're helping us attract top talent in a cost-effective way, leading to a faster hiring process and just an overall better cultural fit. I can also trade in points for rewards, but more on that later. So where did these points come from? They come from my referrals. I have 3 total referrals, 2 ongoing, and 1 successful or hired referral. So let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at my 3 referrals here. Each referral has its own Kanban card, and it shows me all the points that they've earned so far. I get points for each additional stage the candidate progresses through in the recruitment pipeline. I can also see the total points that I've earned out of the total possible points that I can earn for if the applicant is hired. I earned all 100 points here for Maggie Johnson, who was just hired. So how can I configure how many recruitment stages there are and how many points does my referrer get for each stage? Well, it's actually done in the recruitment app, so let's go ahead and hop over there. Here in the recruitment app, which houses all of our different job positions, we're going to take a look at our furniture installation technician job position. Each of these 5 stages has a different point value assigned to it. For example, if we go to the second interview stage here, click on the gear icon that appears when we hover over the stage, and then click Edit. In the points field right here, I can see that the default number of points for this stage grants the referrer 15 points. So we're going to update this to 20 and then simply click Save and Close. Keep in mind, this changes the point value for all of the second stage interviews, for all jobs positions. It's not just for this particular pipeline or job position. So let's say Frank's first interview went amazing and he moves to the second interview. We're just going to click his card and drop it into the second interview stage. We referred Frank, so that should change, and he should give us 20 more points. So let's go ahead and check. Back in the referrals app, I can see we now have 731 total points, which has increased from 711 to 731. And if we take a look at our 3 referrals here, we can also see that Frank has earned us 20 points through the second interview stage. Perfect. All right, last, let's check out all the different point breakdowns. I can go to the top up here, and in the filters, we can select in progress. And I can also just view my referrals that were just hired if I delete this filter here and replace it with, you guessed it, hired. And here we can see Maggie Johnson, the superhero from the dashboard. And that's it for this tutorial. We learned about referral points, how they're configured and earned, and how to check out the status for the points that we're earning through referring friends. See you in the next video where we talk about the best part of referrals, the rewards. Now, go keep on earning points and referring, Odooers.